My name is Alexandra Cooperman, and today we will be going over grade 4, multiplying two-digit multiples of 10 by two-digit numbers using the area model. So for this first question, we have 20 times 22, and if you look on the right side, you can see that it's written vertically. So it's 22 on top times 20. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to use this square here, and we're going to write it out so we can visually see it. So we're going to write it as 20 here and 2, and then we're going to have 20 here. So now we're going to write it. So if you look, this first square is 20 and 20. So it's going to be 20 times 20, which then would equal 400. And now we have to look over here, so we have to combine this, so it's going to be 20 times 2. So we're going to write 20 times 2, which gives us 40. Okay, so now we have to go over here, and we have to write this first line. We'll write what 20 times 20 is, which is 400. And I'll do it in a different color. So it's it's 400, and then 20 times 2, which is 40. And now we add them. So I'll do it in red. So we add the first ones place, which is 0. And then 0 plus 4 is 4. And 4 plus, there's an imaginary 0, will be 4. So your answer is 440. For this question, we have to draw an area model to represent the following expressions. Then record the partial products vertically and solve. So here we have 80 times 32. So we're going to draw an area model. It doesn't have to be super big, just big enough for you to write and understand. So we have 80 times 32. So this first box will be 80 times 30, which gives us 2,400. An easy way to know this is 8 times 3 is 24 plus 2 zeros. And now we have to do 80 times 2, which is 160. So now, writing it vertically, we have 80 times 32. We have 240, or 2,400 plus 160. And then we have to add those. So we have 0, 6, 5, 2. Now let's try the second one. Let's draw a box first. Okay. Now we'll have 70 over here and 54. So this is 70 times 50, which equals 3,500. And then we have 70 times 4, which equals 280. So now we go over, and now we have to write it vertically. So it's 70 times 54. Now we have to do plus 280, which will give us 0. 5 plus 2 is 7, 3,780. These are your final answers for this problem. So for these problems, we have to visualize the area model and solve the following expressions numerically. So we're not going to be drawing the square that I did in the previous problems. We're just going to visualize it in our heads. So we can first see that we have 30 times 68. So we will write 30 times 68. Just fix that. Okay, so now if we're visualizing it, the first big box we will have 30 times 60, because this would be broken up to 60 and then 8. So we have 30 times 60, which will give us 6 times 3 is 18, plus 2 zeros. And I will actually write that in a different color. So now we have 30 times 8, which we did in the previous problem, which gives us 240. Now we have to add. So we get 0, 4, 8 plus 2 is 10, so we have to bring up a 1, 2,040. Now let's try one more like this. So we have 60 times 34. So we're going to first write it out. 60 times 34. So we first have to do 60. And remember, visualize it. So this 34 would be 30 and 4. So 60 times 30 is 1,800. And now we do 60 times 4, which will be 240. So now we have to add these two numbers. 0, 4, 8 plus 2 is 10 again, plus 1 is 2,000. So it looks like both of these equal the same number. So this is a quicker way if you don't want to draw it. Thank you for watching. Some resources I used were Engage New York, Grade 4, Module 3, Lesson 35. I hope you enjoyed.